Greenery, grass, and flowing water are among nature's most powerful remedies for a stressed and tired mind. The soft, vibrant green of healthy grass beneath your feet connects you directly to the earth, grounding your thoughts and easing mental tension. Surrounded by lush plants and trees, the senses begin to relax and the body naturally slows down, inviting peace and stillness. The gentle sound of natural tap water or a nearby stream adds a soothing soundtrack to the environment. Its rhythmic flow mimics the body's own natural patterns, calming the mind and lowering stress levels. Whether it's the subtle trickle of a fountain or the soft gurgle of a stream, water sounds bring a cooling, refreshing wave that clears mental clutter and invites clarity. Altogether, the natural environment, full of greenery, flowing water, fresh air, and quiet space, acts as a healing space for the soul. It creates a peaceful retreat from the noise and speed of modern life, allowing the mind to feel relaxed, focused, and recharged. Just a few moments in such surroundings can lift the spirit and awaken a sense of calm and well-being.